KDHE officials issued the advisory because of a pipe break and low water pressure. The advisory took effect on December 28, 2022, and will remain in effect until conditions which place the system at risk of contamination are deemed by KDHE officials to be adequately resolved. Customers should observe the following precautions until further notice: boil water for 1 minute prior to drinking or food preparation, or use bottled water. Dispose of ice cubes and do not use ice from a household automatic ice maker. Disinfect dishes and other food contact surfaces by immersion for at least 1 minute in clean tap water that contains 1 teaspoon of unscented household bleach per gallon of water. Water used for bathing does not usually need to be boiled. Supervision of children is necessary while bathing so that water is not ingested. Persons with cuts or severe rashes may wish to consult their physicians. If your tap water appears dirty, flush the water lines by letting the water run until it clears.